first grade, this is Miss Vincent, and today we are going to learn the ABCs. The best way I thought of learning the ABCs is to make a PowerPoint. So this is a PowerPoint I created for y'all to learn your ABCs. So let's begin with this PowerPoint. It's named Learn ABCs with Animals. So let's start. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for giraffe. H is for hippo. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for newt. O is for otter. P is for panda. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for seal. T is for turtle. U is for urchin. V is for vulture. W is for walrus. X is for zebra. Y is for yak. And Z is for zebra. So, I believe this presentation was the best way to teach y'all the ABCs. The reason why I thought this presentation would help y'all learn your ABCs is because every kid that I know of loves animals, and what's the best way to show each letter of the alphabet by using animals to do so? So the reason I believe that teaching the ABCs to every child is important because they need to learn their ABCs to spell words, to write, to read a book, and to speak correctly. For your assignment, I would like all of y'all to try and make a song using all the letters of the alphabet. That is all. Thank you, first grade. Bye.